BJP chief JP Nadda has spoken to Khagen Murmu and has inquired about his health. BJP MLA Shankar Ghosh and BJP MP Khagen Murmu, remember, they were taking stock of the flood situation in North Bengal's Jalpaiguri and they faced brutal attacks. We have also accessed videos that show how BJP MLA Shankar Ghosh was heckled, then manhandled, and then BJP MP Khagen Murmu in fact was seen blood-soaked after being brutally targeted. BJP says, and I quote, BJP MP Khagen Murmu, a respected tribal leader and two-time MP from North Malda, was attacked by Trinamool Congress goons while on his way to Jalpaiguri's Dwars region to help the relief and rescue efforts after devastating rain, floods and landslides. While Mamata Banerjee dances at her Kolkata carnival, the TMC, the state administration are missing in action. Those actually helping the people, BJP leaders and Karyakartas are being attacked for doing relief work. Now, this is the claim that has been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP also has held Trinamool Congress responsible for this cruelty, as they are calling it. Listen in to what Shankar Ghosh, the BJP MLA, had to say.
বর্তমানে আমাদের গাড়ির অবস্থা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, এই যে খগেনদা রক্তাক্ত হয়ে পড়ে আছে, গাড়িতে কোনো কাজ বাকি নেই। এই অবস্থায় আমরা দ্রুত বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছি। খগেনদাকে দ্রুত হসপিটালে আমাকে বেরোতে হলো। এই দেখুন গাড়ির সারা সব জায়গায় কাজ, এই দেখুন পাথর, এই যে পাথর, এই সব লাঠি, এই যে চশমা, সমস্ত কিছু এই অবস্থায় আছে।
Let's now go across to my colleague Hridita, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Hridita, we have seen dramatic visuals emerging, and now the latest is that BJP chief JP Nadda also has inquired about the health of the two BJP netas who were brutally targeted.
Absolutely, as you see that today Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was supposed to visit this very area, Nagarkota, where from the morning the BJP MPs and the state leaders have already reached. We have seen that BJP's chief state head Shramik Bhattacharya already reaching out to that area. Along with that, we have also seen BJP chief whip Shankar Ghosh and the MP Khagen Murmu at that area of Nagarkota, where they were holding their hands to the deceased one, seeing at the flood areas. 5 people from Nagarkota has already lost their lives due to that heavy natural disaster destruction that has taken place yesterday. And while that the two of the leaders were heckled, their stones were pelted at their vehicle that they were traveling with. Khagen Murmu issued an heavy injury that we have seen, where he was bleeding from his head. His head had to be bandaged. Both the leaders were seen at the state hospital out there at Chalsa Hospital. Later, now they have been taken to Siliguri, where there will be more better treatment that is to be taken because of the lack of amenities out in the state hospital that cannot treat critical patients. Therefore, they are now taken to the Siliguri hospital. Along with that, we also see that JP Nadda has already let out an inquiry on it, alongside Kaustav Bagchi, a leader from BJP, leader of BJP and also a lawyer, has filed a complaint to the governor of the state, asked for an inquiry under the section of 355. Right. So at this point, even though BJP is strongly alleging TMC on this note, but there is no word from TMC, even though we get to understand CM is to visit that very area soon, from anytime soon from now. And in that case, we also see there has been no police movement there at this point.
Right. Hridita, request you to please stay on with us. In fact, more and more reactions have come from the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have a reaction now coming in from Anurag Thakur as well, BJP MP, and this is what he has put out on social media X. He says, and I quote, Mamata Raj में बंगाल में गुंडागर्दी, अराजकता और जंगल राज अपने चरम पर है. He also says TMC सरकार में बंगाल में सेवा कार्य भी अपराध बन गया है. बना दिया गया है। बाढ़ राहत कार्य में जुटे भाजपा सांसद व आदिवासी नेता श्री खगेन मुर्मू जी पर टीएमसी गुंडों द्वारा जानलेवा हमला जो है अति निंदनीय है। ममता जी की तानाशाही व दमनकारी नीतियों का परिणाम है कि आज बंगाल हिंसा की आग में जल रहा है। So clearly BJP they're hitting out at the Trinamool Congress, and the point that they are trying to make here is that the BJP leaders, they were just trying to help in the relief and rescue operations, and what they got in return was this kind of a treatment. According to them, this was by the TMC goons. Now that's the allegation coming in from the BJP. We have another leader from the BJP, Shubhendu Adhikari, who's also put out a long post on social media platform X. He says, and I quote, Mamta Banerjee is on a full panic mode is what he has said. She has realized that people of West Bengal have despised her inhuman act of dancing at carnival with celebrities when North Bengal was reeling under floods and landslides, with many people losing their lives and thousands left shelterless. In contrast, BJP MLAs and MPs were on the ground doing their bit to provide relief to the affected people. He also says, so now she has pressed the panic button and has now unleashed, in fact, her goons belonging from the special community and incited them to attack the BJP MPs and MLAs so that they can be refrained from engaging in relief work. So that's a big charge coming in. We'll have to wait and see, of course, how the Trinamool Congress really responds to this. He's also said that Khageen Murmu was brutally attacked and has been left with bloody injuries today when he was accompanying Shamik Bhattacharya to the flood-affected areas. Shankar Ghosh's vehicle, a BJP MLA, also came under attack in the presence of the police. He also says, Mamta Banerjee, you can't intimidate the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's go back to my colleague Hridita, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Hridita, very, very scathing remarks being made by the Bharatiya Janata Party that, it was perhaps some kind of a strategy of the Trinamool Congress. That's how BJP is, making it look like right now. But what have you heard from the Trinamool Congress netas, and how is the situation right now on the ground?
Exactly, as I mentioned, that we get to understand, even though now the BJP leaders are rushing to the area, one, they're rushing to Nagarkota, and secondly, they're also rushing to the Siliguri hospital where both the leaders are now being taken to for their first aid and urgent medications. But then we get to see that TMC is completely mum about it. Yesterday, even when TMC made defend attack saying that carnival is important, and also Mamta Banerjee stated today that carnival was important because it is the last time that we bid goodbye to Ma Durga during her immersion process, and today due to Lakshmi Puja she is flying to North Bengal, seeing it as such an urgent situation out there. But other than that, in the morning after the reaction after that, we have not heard anything from the TMC as of now. No reaction from the cops yet also on such a big assault that has taken place with the MPs and MLAs of BJP who went out there ahead of Mamta Banerjee's visit. Also he went today to help the people because to understand that this is the place where the BJP has also secured a good number of seats from there, and they wanted to stay by the people and help the people who are in desperate need and also lost their families, as to understand that this is that area after Mirik, which has again had a heavy loss of lives, like 5 lives have been lost, but no words, mouth of words from TMC or anything, neither on the situation at the place nor on the attack on the BJP leaders.
Right. Hridita, I'm just interrupting you there, requesting you to please stay on with us. We have a reaction now coming in from Union Minister Shukanta Majumdar as well. Listen in.
Today, this kind of the incident that happened is really shameful for the democracy. Our MP Khageen Murmu was attacked brutally. Not only him, our MLA Shankar Ghosh, along with the other leadership, our ex-president Babu Goswami and the present president, all were attacked by TMC hooligans. And all the vehicles have been vandalized by TMC. And this is the situation of law and order in the state of West Bengal under the leadership of Mamta Banerjee. Mamta Banerjee thinks that BJP will step back and won't do the relief work in near future due to the fear. I would like to assure Mamta Banerjee, BJP will remain in the on the field, and BJP is on the field, and we will remain on the field.
We have first reaction coming in from the Trinamool Congress as well. TMC in fact says it is BJP supporters that attacked the BJP netas. It was in fact BJP workers who vented their anger. And this is in fact the post that has been put out by Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress, which you can see on your screens right now. He says, and I quote, "The anger of BJP supporters on full display." Now this is the first reaction of the Trinamool Congress on the violence that we saw earlier. He also says Nagarakata, where BJP leaders were beaten by slippers and their cars pelted with stones, has a BJP MLA, and it falls under Jalpaiguri district, which has a BJP member of parliament. So actually it is BJP supporters and workers who has never seen their leaders post, of course, election results, venting their anger and frustration on their own leaders who went to flood affected areas for a photo shoot. So you have the charge coming in from the Trinamool Congress, who says that perhaps these leaders were not going there to, take part in the relief and rescue operations, but actually it was just a photo shoot for them for which they had gone. He also in fact goes on to say it's time for Amit Malviya, Shomik and Shubhendu Adhikari to introspect as to why BJP leaders are, beaten up by BJP supporters rather than crying like little girls and blaming the Trinamool Congress. However, TMC condemns any form of violence, and be rest assured that all the perpetrators of this violence will be brought to book. We wish the injured speedy recovery. So here you have now blame game happening on who really attacked the BJP netas. The attack has happened. That has been condemned by the Trinamool Congress.